Hi, I'm attorney Gregory Dell, and I want to discuss with you today Unum lump sum disability buyouts. Now, our firm handles hundreds of lump sum disability buyouts every year, and there's only a few of the large disability insurance companies that actually engage in these lump sum buyouts. And one of the biggest disability companies in the world is Unum, so it makes sense that they're one of the companies that does do these lump sum buyouts. Now, there's a couple different ways in which we've been involved in helping people to receive a lump sum buyout from Unum. In most cases, we'll be the ones who end up approaching some of the contacts that we have at Unum to discuss whether or not Unum is interested in engaging in a buyout. And in some rare situations, Unum will reach out to a disability claimant and offer them some sort of buyout. So there's situations where we'll approach Unum on behalf of somebody who's getting paid, and then there's a situation where Unum may approach a claimant, and then the claimant will contact us and we'll help them to negotiate a lump sum buyout. So lump sum buyouts can be good, and they can be not necessarily great for every single person. It just depends what your interests are and what your intent is in terms of what you want to do with the money. So when we get contacted to handle a lump sum buyout, we discuss with you what are your thoughts about the strengths and weaknesses of your disability claim. How long do you think that you're going to stay on claim? We get into difficult discussions about, do you have any questions about your life expectancy or your mortality, which are very difficult issues to discuss because most of these disability policies don't have survivorship benefits or don't pay a death benefit beyond maybe 2 or 3 months of payment. So that's an issue as well that has to be discussed. The other issue is, what would you do with the money in terms of getting a lump sum versus continuing to get a stream of payments over time if you think you're going to continue to get paid. And a lot of people like to have a buyout because they like the certainty of having their payments from Unum or whatever disability company it is complete, meaning they don't have to worry every month, is the company going to keep paying me? Am I going to have some delay in payment down the road? Other people like the financial security of having the money right away and being able to invest the money on their own. Other people have an immediate need for more cash and can't afford to keep waiting every month for their check to come, and they want to have a lump sum payment that gives them a strong financial cushion now and allows them to do things that they may not otherwise be able to do. So there's all kinds of reasons to consider a buyout, and we can discuss all of those things with you. More importantly, though, is that if you retain our firm to work on a lump sum buyout with Unum or any other company, we're going to do whatever it takes to get you the most amount of money possible. We're going to be able to advise you if you are getting top dollar value offers for your disability policy. And that's what we've done for hundreds of people with Unum policies and with other disability policies all over the country. We always offer a free consultation. We welcome you to contact us at your convenience to discuss your claim. We will need to see a copy of your disability policy. That's very important so that we can talk about the pros and cons of your policy and let you know if we think a lump sum buyout's in your best interests. We look forward to the opportunity to speak with you, and thank you again for considering our law firm.